What you doing over there by that tree? What are you doing over here by this tree, little girl? No, you done knock this stuff down. This is Bink's Christmas stocking. And she keep knocking it down, y'all. You gotta leave this stuff alone. That tree come tumbling down on your head. Leave this stuff alone. So I can be able to eat my dinner in peace. Worry about my tree tipping over. Oh, you done knocked some ornaments down. But you knock ornaments down? You a bad kitty. What you do with this thing in here? What you trying to do? That's probably what you trying to get, this stuff. Oh, hit it. That girl done knock ornaments down. Come from over here, Binks. I don't want her to knock my tree down, y'all. She up to something no good. Binks, come from over there. Yeah, come from over there. See your eyes glowing.